Hey y'all, let's go inside. This is the open house that I'm doing for a realtor in my office. So this home is out in Winchester. And since I keep saying on here, or it's at least listed that I would put something in for real estate, here we go. So like when you come in, you know, you've got a little station here to please cover your booties, and they're telling you why. So Marsha, who is the listing agent for this house, puts welcome. Carpets have been professionally cleaned. Please remove your shoes at the door. Thank you. So if you don't feel comfortable removing your shoes, you always have these little shoe covers, which this is what I have on right now to cover my shoes. So yes, I'm following the rules. But yeah, let's take a tour. When you come in, you've got your stairs on the left, and you've got your family room here. So you have 3 fully finished levels. You have a two-story family room. You have a stone fireplace with mantle. You have a private office on the main level. You have a laundry room on the upper level. You have a great deck for entertaining, a fenced-in yard, a walked-out basement, and it's ideal for commuters. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek. This is one of the restrooms downstairs. And if we go upstairs, don't mind if I have to cut this short if someone comes, because I am officially starting at 1 o'clock. I'll come back on. But here upstairs, here's one of the bedrooms. We'll go to this one. What I really like is, yes, I love the fan, but the closets in this house are amazing, okay? Like they're really deep. It's just very, there's no room in the home where I'm like, wow, this is just not awesome. Here's the master. Look at how big the master bedroom is. Wild, right? Your ensuite, a little privacy. Honestly, you need to come and view the house. I will be here Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3 if you're in the area. Oh, look, here's our catwalk, and you can look down on everyone. I am queen for a couple hours. So yeah, this is just continuing on. This is on the 2nd floor. Here's another room. I mean, it's just nice. I like it. It's beautiful. A little linen closet here. Go. Yeah, I mean, good space. Here's the upstairs bathroom. I'm telling you, for me, it is definitely, here's your laundry room. For me, the selling point for this, because I like clothes and accessories and shoes, is here is, look at this. Look at this. Oh, yeah, Amazing. And I know I'm giving you a quick view, but I'm trying to make sure I'm listening out for anyone that comes in. But yeah, this is really great. So we're gonna go downstairs. Don't let them intimidate you. It's not that scary. I'm wearing like wedges, so I can go downstairs and not tumble. Anyone can go down these stairs and not tumble. But the carpets are so nice. You can tell that they've been maintained so nicely. I'm back in this first room that you come to as you enter. And now we can really peruse. This is the family living space. Everything is open. Here's the office that they were talking about. Fan. Here's another big fan that I have not turned on. But, and then if you can see out the windows, it's the deck. I'm not gonna go outside again. I am at my open house. I'm waiting to see people for people coming in. Don't worry about the bugs there. Those were cicadas. They make lovely little noises. But yeah, this is just great. Look at the cabinets, like the little attention to detail. You've got your double ovens, your fridge, your pantry, your stove. And this is not too shabby of a pantry. Could do a lot with it. Let's go on here. And you've got a huge garage here. I mean, it's really spacious. You don't have the typical concrete floors. I mean, it's just really nice. So, now the basement. Some stairs, but it's so awesome. Look at the space. Look at the space. You have a door leading out to your backyard. You have a bathroom over there. You've got a utility room. You've got another room that, you know, you could use with a closet. Here's another closet here. This door leads to more utility stuff. But yeah, it's just a great space. Lots and lots of space. So yeah, let me give you a quick glance of the restroom. So it has a shower down here, a toilet and a sink. So yeah, if you wanted to have this be even an in-law suite down here, it would be really cute. Again, they would have access. They wouldn't necessarily have to go through the house. Access to the backyard, their own room for privacy. It's just nice. It's really, really nice. A lot of things you could do. But yeah, if you're in Virginia and you're looking to purchase a home in Winchester and you have the availability, I'm here today, which is Saturday, and I'm also here tomorrow, which is Sunday, 1 to 3 p.m. And I'm giving you just another quick look. This is the home. This is the listing agent. My name is Shayrandle. And if you want to get in contact with me, my phone number is 951-240-2501. And if you're interested in this property in Winchester, let me know. And I will definitely be in contact with you. Look outside. I'm going to take off my booties real quick. Almost have that booty. So you can get a good look. And I'm going to end my video and you can see people parking.